Hi, I'm Adam from Spire Electrics, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your Atom series light. Using a flathead screwdriver, locate the red tab inside the rim, push the red tab in using your flathead screwdriver and turn the light anti-clockwise. The light will unclip, bring the light up above water level. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the 3 screws on the outside of the plug top. Remove the existing light from the plug top. Place the new light onto the plug, aligning the pins. Screw down the 3 screws nice and tight. You are now ready to put the light back into the niche. Coil the cable up inside the niche. Place the light head back inside the niche. Turn clockwise until you hear the click. The job has now been complete.